As you guys can see, the install on this part was a success. There's no leaking coming from like the housing there. I don't see like any moisture or green stuff. But like I was saying before, the radiator is still leaking up top right in this area, because you can kind of see like the moisture there. It's kind of like wet. You can see that, right? Yeah, installing this was a success. Oh, this clamp, I just noticed I didn't slide it all the way over, so let me do that right now. These tires are directionals, so what I'll end up having to do is finding, pretty sure these are directional tires. Yeah, they're directional. I see a rotation. So the arrow is pointing. Arrow is pointing this way, if you guys can see that. And I'm gonna start with the driver's side first. So I got this one facing the right way already. Throw some lube on here. And these are going on that Audi Quattro, I believe it is. It's Audi, it's foreign, so. Alright guys, so I'm here. I made it to the house. Let's pull up the Prize Picks app really quick and check out the status of our plays. So I'm on my computer right now. Just type in Prize Picks. I'm not logged in right now. Let's refresh it. And look at that. $500 in my account right now. Let's pull up my lineups for the day. Kevin Durant went over on rebounds and assists. He hit 10 on the mark. Njoka Volcevic, however you say his name. He went 34 points, rebounds, and assists. And Jalen Green had 7 rebounds. There you go. This game starts Sunday for this one, and this one starts in less than 20 hours. The high payout, if 5 is right, is $30.14. And I just got 2 guys remaining on that play, and they're for passing touchdowns. And like I said before, let's go to my pass lineups. All right, checking out my past lineups. Let's see what we had at risk. $25, $25, 50 here. I play, as you can see, I played $50 on this power play right here. And the payout for it was 50 bucks. And from the looks of it, from a few plays that I have pending, it's gonna bring back some of my potential winnings that I lost in a few bets that I just showed you. Like if this hits, if this was to hit, it'll give me back one of those $25 plays I just fell out on. Same thing with any of these other pending plays right here for tomorrow, Thursday. All these plays start tomorrow, basically. This is a max payout of $135 for $5. And a few other plays. I don't want to get too much into my plays. Like I said, this is a card channel, but this is something that I do outside of the card channel. Feel free, if you haven't downloaded the Prize Pick app, to do so. If you guys don't mind, I'm about to make a withdrawal right now. So, catch you later. Peace.